Ever pondered why the earth quakes? In the annals of Greek mythology, earthquakes were the result of Poseidon's ire, the deity of the sea. Legend says Poseidon brandished a formidable trident, slamming it against the earth in fury. This mighty action was thought to set the ground quaking, sparking earthquakes. This mythic interpretation allowed ancient Greeks to comprehend the potent and erratic forces of nature. To this day, traces of this belief linger in our grasp of seismic activity, echoing the timeless impact of ancient mythologies on our worldview. Intriguing, isn't it? Do you know other mythological explanations for natural phenomena? Voice your ideas in the comments section, and remember, hit that like button and subscribe for more intriguing insights.